Welcome back. COVID-19 lockdown. We will attack any truck carrying Almajiri into Southeast, South, Biafra group. It gets some Biafra group where they call BNYL. This means they are another group of people that they did there when the Almajiri people they enter, then did there before. But now it can't be like say now warning whether they warn the Northerners now. So you made them stop. Make them stop bringing in the youth where they claim see them be Almajiri people, whereas them be their fighters. People won't go fight for them. Make una not forget, see, some few days ago, get one video where we upload there. Make una see what Niger government they do with Boko Haram. They play, where did they play? The game, where did they play? 603 Boko Harams. And we don't tell una see, those people, where they claim see, them be repentant Boko Haram. Now people won't fight for them. Now people when they carry, come enter inside the southeastern part and the southern part of the country. So this group don't come and come talk, see, man, they no go key time. Any time when they see them, they must to deal with them. Both the drivers, both the people when they inside truck. So then they send a very, very strong message to the Northerners. So the Fulani people, when they claim say una be Almajiri people, now they take this little opportunity, they send this message to una so that una go stop to the troop into the southern part of the country. Make una stay where una dey. The government talk say do their interstate lockdown, but we not see where it they work. It not they work. It they only work for people from the south. But they lock down the people from the north, then they defy the lockdown 24/7. 24/7. In fact, that is the reason why the CC then they die like fowl in the northern part of the country. But the worst part of the whole thing be say this group of people now then they transport them come the southern part of the country. It's very dangerous. Nobody like waiting they play out with these northerners and eastern part of the country. Waiting the southerners do to the northerners. Nothing. Only social problem. Only social problem the northerners they try to create in that country. The whole problem what we get in that country, we don't tell us now they're not. The northern politicians now them be the root of our problem in that country. People when they chant one Nigeria, say now the northerners now them be the problem when people get in that country. They not say make anybody not travel, but if you travel, you know the way when people they take travel. Travel and travel in peace. Don't go disturb your neighbors for nothing. So, but before we go into this matter, this guy what they call Festus Keyamo, when we say the 2019 World War election, now then organize them. Now the man don't put head inside. Festus Keyamo don't bounce back again. Can they talk say because he get one comment where the man make on Twitter. Can they claim say people when not vote for Buhari say they no go Buhari no go help them. Buhari no go do anything for them. So they go suffer. According to his claim. But he don't come back again, can't debunk him. Then see the quote in his Twitter handle. Now the man don't bounce back again, can't talk say he not talk about the matter. So I want to emphasize on this Festus Keyamo of a thing a little bit. All of them, they among the people when they cause this destabilization in Nigeria. All of them, they among people. This Festus Keyamo of a thing when come from Delta State. As then they claim say from Delta. All these people are the people when be our problems. Festus Keyamo, I want to take this opportunity once again to tell you, see, even people when vote for Buhari, then they suffer. They are Buhari, this dead Buhari when you they claim. The man went on die since 2017. Buried in shallow grave in Saudi Arabia. People when not they use the name, they talk, say, people vote for her. All of them, they suffer. They not see any good thing when Buhari do for them. The voters want to claim they vote for Buhari since 2015 they come. Nothing for anybody. Hunger na una wen be APC. Destabilization no na una wen be APC. Looting no na una wen be APC. Bloodletting no na una wen be APC. Killing no na una wen be APC. Waiting your Buhari don't do for people when vote for him. Everybody they suffer. So we don't tell us say make una when be APC open eye in 2023 to don't see how una want to become again. as a president. How I want to begin lead the country again after una don't fail woefully under una fake almighty Buhari. Now Abba Kyari don't die. All these things we know. All these things we don't want to be, emphasizing on this Abba Kyari thing of a thing because we are just killing our time if we talk about all these people. Now time killing. All of them like to distract people's attention. Now that they talk about Alamajiri, when they come into the southern part of the country, Keyamo don't carry come out. Just to distract people's attention. Who you want to distract his attention? You cannot distract nobody, no one's attention anymore. So carry your Buhari, including that one they call Femi Adesina. When they claim, say, Buhari na Nigerian people savior, all of una, una got to go Oselu, go check whether una head correct. Last time I don't tell una before. Say una got to go this Oselu inside Benin City, in Benin, in Edo State. Una go there, go check whether una head really correct. With the kind of comments when una they come and they take the deceive 200 million Nigerian people for nothing. I got to go Oselu. So ladies and gentlemen, make we take a look on what in this BNYL tell the Northerners. They don't vow, say, if they see you with any truck, whether na Dangote truck, whether na anybody truck, you are in trouble. As a Lamajiri person. You are in trouble. So now, when be the BYNL and all the whole leaders when they Biafran land, including the governors and the ministers when we get, the senators when we get, all of them don't allow these people overwhelm una and now when they come out. I just wonder. These people don't overwhelm una. Now they come out. The first time when they sing the song, say, man, these people they are coming. These people they are coming. No, they can't they sing the song. They are coming. All of una do like see una not they hear waiting with the talk. Today now, waiting they happen. Who they suffer and now? They say if two elephants fight, now grand, now they suffer, they matter. So, but we no talk say we no go talk waiting this BNYL talk. We go Mostoniana in this platform. Biafra Nation Youth League BNYL has vowed that it would attack any truck carrying northern youths in the name of Alamajiri into any part of the South and Southeast states. The group also said that its members have been assigned to monitor borders linking the states. This was contained in a statement signed by the Deputy National Leader of the BNYL and the Head of Operation Biafra Broadcasting Service BBS, Ebuta Takun Eko, and forwarded to Daily Post on Wednesday. The BNYL further warned that the truck drivers won't be spared if they are caught conveying such persons into the mentioned zone. According to the group, the region have suffered many attacks from rampaging Fulani herdsmen and cannot afford to face more attack. The BNYL alleged fear that the recent bomb explosion in Imo State may not be unconnected to the movement of Alamajiri into the region as part of the plot to conquer the Easterners using COVID-19 as distraction. The group warned that it cannot exist and watch strange people invading their territory. We will deal with any truck driver carrying northerners into our land and we won't spare even those in the truck. There is a lockdown and they have to remain in the north. See the bomb blast in Imo State. Up till now, we haven't known those behind it. It is better to act now than when it is too late. Not be the thing when we tell you before be that. And again, make I repeat this one again. If una not fight this fight, if una just they come and they use ordinary mouth and yarn, una they into big problem. If una not stop these people, because a lot of this group of men, then they come out they talk so that the government will call and give them Ghana must go. That one is confirmed. Some of them. We don't know whether these people then they serious or whether they're not they serious. So if you are not they serious, it is up to now. Because if you think say you go carry money finish, then you get where you want run go, your family, where you want carry all your family go. You get mama there, you get papa, you get sisters, you get friends, you get everything. Where you they carry them they run go. You go figure all of them run. You know figure all of them run. Just like Sari Dokubo don't brag last time say he go run faster than anybody. Now tell Sari, you know they run go nowhere. You cannot be able to escape the wrath of the Fulani people. Although we know say Asari Dokubo na Muslim person and then they support those people. That's the fact. Asari Dokubo they support those people and that is the 100% facts. Now, I don't tell you before. Make una join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Make una join to they continue to they sing the liberation of Biafra. Make una join the fight. And make una stop to the jail also. Make una stop to the envy because enviness no go solve any problem. Always cause chaos. Serious one. When we say una no go fit escape am. Even some months ago, we don't tell us say if these people start, where una won't wrong go? Where everybody when the southern part of the country go wrong go? Where una won't wrong go? Now they don't start. This BNYL. I say where all of una day when all these things they happen. Recently, we don't do another video. See if we get somebody like Nnamdi Kanu in some places. Really, if it was Rike truly they fight this fight, say he won't actualize this Biafra in the fight and the way when Nnamdi Kanu they fight them. In they come out the way when Nnamdi Kanu they come out. Look, this Biafra for don't go since. This Biafra for don't come, ladies and gentlemen. If we get some Nnamdi Kanu different places, we won't look like and when they act like and when they behave like and when they talk like when people were not corrupt, I see this Biafra for don't come. Make them be even 5 of them in Biafran land. The Biafra for don't come. Long time. Now, look at the problem when our people they face because of this same group of people when we say that they sabotage the effort of the actualization of Biafra. Many groups don't come out, come talk, say they won't fight this fight. At the end of the day, government will call them, give them money, they will go inside. Look at the governors, what una see, una get. Now you go see one person, you go see, make una come support the governor. Wow, they won't take support governor. What if they won't take support governor when they already claim saying and people them into the office? How come? Now when governors don't they in power, now governors supposed to use that their executive power to support their people, to stop this Alamajiri people, to stop all these nonsense things when our people they face, to stop herdsmen people. Governors get all these powers, but due to say they don't rub their hand inside poto. All of them don't carry Ghana must go from the FG. They no go do them. Now the problem what we see today be that. So that's why we tell us see if you they think say you won't see your governors come out come help you. You no go ever come out come help you unless the person change totally. Unless God just visit that governor. But for now, inside APC and PDP, no governor will come help you inside any political party in that country because they are all corrupt. All of them won't make them. All of them won't make easy money. That's why they call them Yahoo governors. All of them won't just make them easily. That's why you see them say, then they jump, enter inside politics. Look at waiting Amechi Telona, for example. Look at waiting Amechi Telona. All the children there abroad. And they call my excellency, my excellency, my excellency. You they call people when they deal with you, your oppressors, your excellency. How it take make sense? How it take make sense now? So, ladies and gentlemen, this group of people, they don't come out, come warn the Alamajiri people. See, may they not come out again, because if they come out again, they go attack them. If na night too, they go attack na day. Even you when be driver, when they carry them up and down, you are in problem. Because all those drivers they collect money. Then they collect money, big money, because now big business. Then they transport weapons. They take enter the south. They won't destroy the south. South is as peace as anything. But the northerners, they are not happy about it. Northerners, they don't want all these northern politicians. When they talk now, their politicians where they talk, they don't want to smile. Just like as Bola Tinubu don't want to make anybody smile. All these politicians, they don't want you happy. They don't want you smile. They want you dead. You when be youth, it's high time you change your mind. High time you know, see, man, these people, they don't need you. That is why all of us have to join together and continue to support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, because the fight, when Nnamdi Kanu they fight, now number one fight be that. Now number one fight be that, and that is the way to freedom. For everybody, not only the Biafrans, not only the Igbos, not only the Southeast, not only the South, everybody in general. Now the only way to freedom be that too, if we continue to chant one Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, now the one Nigeria not they work. Then you continue. You are a gunner. So una when be BY, whatever una they call yourself, make una join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Or Hanez Ndigbo, the governors, everybody have to come and join. Not be now when we see something done they happen small. You even got some group now. When we say they come from the same southern part of the country, when they don't write Donald Trump, come write UN, when we say fight never started, on they cry. Instead of them to stand up to their oppressors, then they write Donald Trump to come from America to come help them. You don't see that. Fight never start to. What about if fight starts? Now they are coming with this one. The people when one match all of them one after the other, when no one hear word. Now just come that they come. They never start the fight. People don't they write Donald Trump. Then if fight start, who you go come right? One love, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Funky D.